Good afternoon. This is Jake Burkett with Real Broker. About to hit another exciting home tour. We are in Summerlin, which is on the west side of Las Vegas in the Paseos, so I call it the Summerlin foothills. Let's go take a look, shall we? The house we are going to tour today is this one right here in front of us. We're in Summerlin. That's on the west side of Las Vegas. It's a beautiful, huge, beyond master plan community. It's like its own city almost in itself. So we're up in the foothills. We are in a private guard gated community. So a lot of good looking homes in this neighborhood. And the house we're going to take a look at, it's got 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 3-car garage. Interior, we have 4,233 square feet, and the lot itself is just over 7,400. All right, let's go inside, shall we? All right, so we just came through the front door. We're gonna check out all the downstairs, and then we're gonna head upstairs. So we have a bedroom downstairs. We have the other 4 upstairs with a huge loft, beautiful primary bedroom with bathroom. And let's just go straight outside. We're right here by the pool. Let's go take a look. So I am just gonna open up these sliders. I'm sure these are catching on in other parts of the world, but these are super popular in Las Vegas, where we have these big sliding glass doors that open up because we have great weather many months of the year, and it just creates a good indoor-outdoor living environment. So covered patio right here. I feel like they've made the most of the space they have. Got a nice pool here, perfect for splashing around in. Got a little sitting area over here, a little swim step entry. Little jacuzzi action. Got some turf over here, so this is definitely a low maintenance backyard. This is all tile. Looks like old rustic kind of restored wood. Over here you have your air conditioning units and your pool equipment and the storage unit, but it's behind these bay laurels, so it's kind of nice, kind of keeps them hidden and out of the way. So kind of give you a view of the rest of the pool. Lots of covered area back here. You have the built-in one with the house, and then you have this additional pergola that's put on it. Kind of looking back at the house. Also have another single slider right off the side of the kitchen, which we're going to see in just a second. So you get your outdoor dining area out here if you need. And you got this great sunken barbecue area right here. So you got your grills, you got a wet sink right there. You have 2 fridges over here, and that's another sink where that cover is right there. And on the other side of this pool, you have bar stools. So you got a small bar if you want. You got 4 of them right there in the water. So pretty cool. A good place to hang out. All right, let's go back inside and finish off this home tour. I'm just gonna close this slider behind me. So thanks for bearing with me. All right, kitchen, you can see we have 2 islands. We got this one right here. Waterfall edges on it. Some cool stonework. Got your little formal dining area right here off to the side. Lots of natural light coming in. Beautiful white cabinetry. You got some backsplash that's been run all the way up to the ceiling. So that looks really good. Got quartz countertops back here. Got Gen Air appliances in this house, a couple pendant lights hanging down there, and then you have a Frigidaire, huge, big, built-in side-by-side. So before I go too far, kind of give you a little what's going on here. Nice big back burner. Big pantry. Got double ovens over there. And over here, so this is gonna be like your main living room area. TV, couch, little fireplace down there. And if you're a wine drinker, you have this huge wine storage, wine cellar. Not sure how many bottles you could fit in here, but it's also climate controlled. So the door seals up, and then it's all glass. So you got this great display. If this was full of, wine bottles while you're entertaining, it's like a functional piece of art. Kind of see there's a little dehumidifier up there too. All right, continuing on. Ceramic tiles all downstairs here. This is the washroom, so if you got guests over, people, wants to see the washroom. Standard 2-car garage right here. Do have epoxied floors on it. Soft water loop in there, soft water machine as well. And down here, you do have an ensuite downstairs. So if you got family, friends staying over, elderly parents that live with you, you got this great, nice room down here. It's nice and big, a king-size bed. It's got a window, nice big window. It's got a walk-in closet. So every room in this house is an ensuite, meaning it has its own bathroom. And the 4 of the 5 all have walk-in closets. Here's the bathroom that goes with it. You get a walk-in shower, so it's great. If someone can't step up high over a tub, toilet sink. Got some nice trim work back here on the wall. So it's kind of panning around. Now this would be a great spot if you have a huge Christmas tree, right? This would be a fantastic spot for it. So right up the spiral stairwell, and this right here is just additional storage. So let's go up the stairwell. All right, here we go. This big, big loft with lots of windows, lots of light, and you can see the Las Vegas Strip pretty well from up here. So it's all way down there. The tree's kind of blocking a little bit, but anyway, nice big loft, second living area, kids, whatever you need to make it, be good. All right, here's our laundry room. We got a sink, matching towel from downstairs. Excuse me. All right, so here's the only bedroom that does not have a walk-in closet. Set up as an office. So you just have your pocket slider. And while the bathroom's not attached to this room, it's right here. You've got a double sink, tub and shower combo. And then this is the primer. We're going to check that out in a second. Here we have a relatively long hallway that leads to 2 other secondary bedrooms. Storage closet on the left. And these rooms are all nice size too, so you can put a bed, a dresser, night end table, whatnot in here. So there's our walk-in closet. And here's the bathroom. And this room is going to be very similar, but we're going to look at it anyways. You can see great mountain views out this window right here. You can see that. Pan around. It's our closet right here. This one has built-ins in it. And here's the bathroom. Very similar to the other one. And let's go take a peek at the primary bedroom. So you come into it. Right off to the right, you have this great walk-in closet. It's full of built-ins. It's got this great little center island. Additional drawers, little countertop there on top. So, you know, you can display stuff or just put your bag down or whatever it is you need to do. And we'll do the bathroom next. So here we go, the bathroom. You have 2 sink areas, quartz countertops, big sheet mirrors. Got a big window coming in, but it's the patio, so you have privacy. Big freestanding soaking tub, undermount sinks. Lots of storage, lots of cabinets, all matching. Got a vanity, that's me, hello. And you got this big walk-in shower, so with this like little step area right here. So come in, turn the water on, get it adjusted how you need. And then you have a rainfall and a power jet coming off the wall there. And a little bench if you need to. Got some more storage, and you got a nice big spacious primary bed. We happen to have a little drop-down ceiling here. Got some stonework on the wall back there. King-size bed, plenty of room in here. And let's go outside and take a quick look at this patio. Yes, that is an elementary school behind us. So this house comes with elementary school, so it's going to be very quiet. in the summertime and all holidays, spring break, Christmas, and whatnot. It is an excellent elementary school, I can tell you that much. And yeah, so it's kind of this is the house. But anyways, hope you all enjoyed us. Hope you all stuck to the end here and you're hearing me talk now. Please like, subscribe, follow, hit the bell. You'll get notified whenever we upload new videos. We appreciate it. Please engage with us. Comment below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. If there's any homes you'd like to see specifically in Las Vegas communities, new or resale, let me know. We'll do video tours of them. And what else? If you'd like to know how to buy or sell real estate in Las Vegas, all of our contact information's in the description. You can also hop on our website, get a free home evaluation, or you can set up your own custom private home search. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.